Blood clot, you catch a fire. I can't save it. Mind this blood clot, I explode. Bumbo clot. Tell us that they're gonna see him. Driver the fool, you fuck. Fire. Fire. Put some on them and cool it down. Put it and cool it down, man. Cool it down. Just cool it down, man. Good now. Good now.
What's water?
Water in there. Alright? I mean, if this that's what we need. Yeah.